you guys, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this cute little wig I got from Amazon. So the vendor was Pizzazz Hair, and it came in this cute little pink bag, and they have lashes and two little wig caps. This is what the wig looked like. I wasn't too sure at first because I'm used to just ordering my black wigs, and they're straight black wigs, so I'm not used to color or curls or anything, so this was new for me. So this was a 26-inch water wave lace front. It came with the 4 little clips inside and the adjustable straps. It was really soft. There wasn't too much that I didn't like about this. The only downfall that I will say is that it was kind of thin, but it wasn't as expensive compared to other wigs that looks like this one. So I guess I got what I paid for. But I'm going to stop talking. I'll let you guys enjoy this video. Keep watching.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, leave no one else.
So if your cap started lifting like mine did, don't worry, it's not going to mess up your ball cap method. All you need is a little bit of your lace glue. Just put a very little on the ends of it and stick it down with the end of your rat tail comb, and you're good.
I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is more than a million. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Y'all, I think the edges is like the most difficult part to do when you're installing a wig. I know it is for me. I'm not a professional. I just started learning how to do my own hair. I can't say I'm getting better, but if you made it this far in the video, bear with me as I struggle to get my edges right. And guys, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. as my edges was setting, I went ahead and parted my hair, put some water and curling cream in it, and on this part I slick messed my hair up. Like I said, I'm not a professional, I'm still learning. I just started learning how to do my hair, but if you guys have any recommendations on how to like fix that part, it kind of looks bald. I had no idea what I was doing. Let me know, drop a comment down if you guys have any recommendations on how to fix that.
If you want it, say the word, try it. And now whatever, I'm not fulfilling. Another woman is willing. I'm gonna fulfill you, my right. When you come home, tell me on my shoulder, I'll roll over. Baby, I heard you. I'm here to serve. All you need, even if it's yours. All I wanna do is get up. Get up.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you know that change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you see?
Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. At first I wasn't too sure about this color, but I really love how it came out. I feel like I've been doing really good for me to be a beginner at this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.